Hello everyone, my dear friends. Today I want to show you a very simple way to make a box from a single sheet of paper. This is for when you have neither materials nor time to wrap a small surprise. If you like such videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget about the bell. Let's get started and make it together with me. As I already mentioned, we will need just one square sheet of paper. The size of my square is 20 centimeters and the paper is quite thick. That's actually good, as the box will turn out even sturdier. So we fold our square in half. Then fold it in half again from the other side. And fold each corner towards the center. We end up with a smaller, thicker square, and we need to divide it into 3 parts. I do this by eye, but you can make marks for yourself. Fold and firmly crease the lines. We need to fold it exactly the same way on the other side. And as we can see, a small square forms in the center. This will be the bottom of our box. That's it, it's time to make the sides. For this, unfold 2 parallel parts. And in this way, lift the wall, folding the top edge to secure it. That's it, one is ready. On the other side, do the same. But we won't tuck the top part inside, as this will be our lid. Therefore, we secure the wall with glue. This is how we secure it. And on top we see there's a lid left like this. It doesn't close tightly, of course, but when wrapping a gift, you can use a ribbon or a sticker. So, these are the little boxes I ended up with. In fact, they are really cool, sturdy, and perfect for some kind of mini surprise. So definitely try making them. A huge thank you to everyone who watches me until the end. You are the absolute best if you liked it. Be sure to give it a like. Write in the comments what videos you would like to see on my channel, and I will definitely make it happen. Well, I wish you all the best and happy crafting. And until we meet again, goodbye. Bye.